Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a rainy Saturday afternoon here in Singapore. It's been raining for the last day and a bit, and we're kind of experiencing that monsoon, almost winter-like weather. So being stuck indoors, I wanted to share with you one of my favorite features in PowerPoint, which is the ability to create custom shows and why it's important. Before I do, as always, please like and subscribe to the channel, to the videos, so we can get the support to keep things going, because I enjoy sharing these ideas. I hope you enjoy listening to them. Okay, so let's talk about a common scenario when you're out doing lots of different presentations to different people, and maybe you have a core deck that you might work from. And what you tend to do is that every time you have a different event, you might take a copy of that core deck and utilize that, maybe reduce some of the slides because of time, but have a version of that because that's got your best content. Now, one of the challenges with that approach is you start to have a situation where you have a folder structure with lots and lots and lots of different presentations. You need to keep thinking about, well, where was that latest presentation that I utilized? Which one had that slide? All those different things. It becomes a bit of a treasure hunt. Well, fret not, because PowerPoint has a capability to create what's called custom shows. And so the idea with custom shows is that you maintain one singular presentation with all of your core materials. And then from that, you're able to organize and structure the slides the way you actually want them. So you can take slides out, you can put slides in, you can shuffle them around. But it makes it very, very easy to have these custom shows set up in one singular PowerPoint file. So I want to show you how you can do that. So we're utilizing my favorite cheese effect PowerPoint slide that shows our cheeses and our cheese sales for 2024. Now, of course, when I go to presentation mode, I'm going through one by one by one. And yes, we do have our cool capabilities of section zooms, so we can zoom in if we needed to different sections, which is fantastic. But I might need to present this deck to a multitude of people. One day I might be talking to management, one day I might be talking to salespeople, and the presentations I would give may be a little bit different. So let me show you how you can set that up. If I go over to the slideshow menu, and you'll see typical things like play from start, play from current slide, presenter view, all those things you've used before, you might have overlooked this one here called custom shows. And what custom shows is the ability for you to set up these custom presentations and order. So what I'm going to do here is create a custom show if I was talking to, say, a senior leader about our products and our results, and just really get into the focus content. So I can go here to custom slideshow. I can add in a new one, so we'll call this business review, and I want to add my title slide. I'm going to add in the cheese map and the results and a thank you, right? Those are the four slides I need. I just want to get to what's actually going on. So this will give me a very, very focused approach to my presentation. The other one that I might want to go and do is do a product overview. And so let's call this product overview. And for this one, I want the title. I want the cheeses individually because, you know, I might want to facilitate some sort of conversation. And then I want the results and the thank you. So this one is a much more comprehensive slideshow. So now what I have is my business review slideshow and my product overview slideshow all in the same deck. So if I go over here now and hit close, I could have obviously started the show directly from there, but from the custom show menu, I can see those two shows are already set up. So if I hit business review, you'll see the title slide, you'll see the cheese map, the results, and the end, which is exactly what we wanted to do. We just wanted to focus on the products and the results themselves. If I wanted to go and do one for, say, a sales team and talk about what we have, I might do the product overview where I go into the various cheeses and talk about them, and then talk about the overall business results and close out. But the real benefit here is that I'm not having to create two different presentations. I'm able to maintain all the information in one singular presentation. And if I need to, I still also have the opportunity to modify these shows as well. So if I go to the business review, today the way we have it is we've got our cheese map up first and then we've got our business results, but I can shuffle this around, hit OK and hit start show, and you can see they are now in the order I want them to actually be. So there you have it. It's a really easy way for you to think about maintaining one core deck. In fact, it's something I advocate for a lot of people in the IT industry is have your one go-to deck. Have your one core presentation that you can always rely upon. And with this feature, you're able to really have a fairly decent sized core deck, but then use custom shows to design these shows in the way of the audience you're presenting to. Maybe it's a 15-minute show, maybe it's a 45-minute show, maybe it's a 90-minute show. But then you can customize your slides, the slide order, and how you want it to be shown. I hope this has been useful. I hope it helps you out in terms of maintaining your content, and I hope you're successful in your presentations. Thank you so much.